everyone! Welcome back to another day of In the Life of Moniki. And for today's vlog, we're at Selfridges here in Birmingham. So I'm just making tambay here in MAC because apparently the Powder Kiss Lip and Cheek Tint Mousse is trending on TikTok. So I'm just trying it out if it's bagay for me or not. But it looks like it's so drying. What do you guys think? Pretty chat!
So I'm buying this, but look at the glow. The glow is glowing.
Wala talaga.
Same box?
Thank you!
Again, it's okay. It's Saturday, Boodle Day.
So yes guys, napagastos na naman si Monica pero okay lang yan para yun na sa atong kagandahan, char. And so nagpalayo na ganito sa makeup, no, para dili anta makagasto. Ning naog na pud mi diri mi sa chocolates and sa mga toys. Kay manguli din ni ako mga friends sa Philippines. So nangita lang sila pampasalubong. And of course guys, mas nalingaw man di ko sa toy section kay daghan kay sila mga cute na mga stuff and especially my favorite na Jellycat. So diri sa UK guys, popular kay ning Jellycat. Every season lain-lain na sila design. Sobrang cute, super soft, pero medyo pricey ni siya compared to other brands. Pero cute naman po sila guys. So if you want it, you can get it, diba? You only live once. So, mora di ay salamat sa pagtanaw. Bye!